Talia.
Italia. How old are you? 5 years old. Do you like animals? But you don't have to worry because I am here. We have our handler also to guide you. Huwag kang matatakot. Nandito si Kuya Tons, okay? Now, to meet our first animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands just like this.
That's right, yeah, keep it up.
And keep that steady now. I just want to remind you that whatever the animals we put in your hands, please do not drop it. Huwag mo siyang ilalagay. Ilalagay namin sa kamay mo, steady ka lang dyan, okay? Huwag kang matatakot. Huwag kang matatakot, ha? Now, are you ready? Yeah. So you're running all the way from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and some part of India. Leo. And now Leo, here's the leopard gecko. They got their name because of their spotted markings on their back, and they can reach up to 9 to 10 inches in length. And as a defense mechanism, their head is almost as the same shape as their tail. But unlike Toka Gecko we had at home, these guys don't have touch buds, but instead they get claws so they can cling into our skin in a few seconds. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for Leo, the leopard gecko, and of course to our great follower. And have some sanitizer for you. Thank you so much. That's right. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat now.